Buying a Shopify plan with Payoneer is a straightforward process, although Shopify does not directly accept Payoneer as a payment method. However, you can still use Payoneer effectively. Here's how to do it. Sign into your Payoneer account. Log into your Payoneer account and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the Shopify plan cost. Withdraw funds to your bank account. If your Payoneer funds are not in your local bank account, withdraw the necessary amount to a bank account linked to Payoneer. This transfer may take a few business days. Sign up for Shopify. Visit the Shopify website and click on Start Free Trial. Enter your email address, password, and store name to create an account. Choose a plan. After the trial period, log into your Shopify dashboard. Click on Settings and select Billing. Here, you can choose a plan that suits your needs. Select Payment Method. When prompted to pay for the plan, select credit or debit card. Enter your bank card details linked to the account where you transfer funds from Payoneer. Complete the payment. Confirm the payment, and your Shopify account will be activated.